Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. I hope you are meeting after a long back and sorry for the delay. And from now on, from today, you are going to receive the videos based on NEET 2025 and also we are going to start previous year question discussion for JEE aspirants as well. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share this video with all your friends. Okay, so that they make use of it. And now, so already we have discussed some problems based on motion in a straight line and plane, part 1, and I have provided the link in the description box. You can go through it. Right? Now, let us see the first question. The velocity of a particle at an instant is 15 meter per second. அப்போ ஒரு particular instantல இருக்கக்கூடிய velocity 15 meter per second means you should take it u is equal to 15 meter per second. So we should take it u is equal to 15 meter per second. After 5 seconds, that is t is equal to 5 seconds, its velocity becomes final velocity v is equal to 25 meter per second. Okay, wow. So initial velocity u and always you should take final velocity as v. And the time taken is 5 seconds. They are asking what is the velocity at 4 seconds before the given instant. See, having u, v and t, we can use the formula v is equal to u plus at. That is the first equation of motion நம்ம use பண்ணலாம். Use பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா acceleration ஓட value calculate பண்ணலாம். Okay, so substitute all the values. V is 25, u is 15 and acceleration into time taken 5. So 10 is equal to a into 5 and acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. Okay, now, so ஒரு particular instant, அதாவது initially இப்போ a அப்படின்ற ஒரு instant எடுத்துருக்கு. Okay, at a, the initial velocity you have taken as 15 meter per second and after time is equal to 5 seconds, the velocity at b is 25 meter per second. Okay, they are asking what is the velocity at 4 seconds before the given instant. So, while solving the second case, let us take the instant as c. Let me take the velocity at instant c as u dash and velocity at instant a as v dash. Now, v dash is equal to u dash plus at. And v dash final velocity 15, u dash u plus acceleration we have found 2 and time taken 4 seconds. Okay, so from this you can find 7 meter per second is your answer. Okay, first எப்பவுமே வந்து என்ன டேட்டாஸ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அதை எடுத்து எழுதுங்க and then just compare with the given equations of motion. உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச equation of motions ஓட compare பண்ணிட்டு then you can find out the answer easily. It is very easy to solve the questions based on motion as straight line and plane. I have already solved so many questions based on this topic. Now, the motion of a particle along a straight line is described by the equation. Straight line, along a straight line equation பாத்தீங்கன்னா 8 plus 12t minus t cube. Where x is in meter, t is in second. Retardation of the particle when its velocity becomes 0. So what is the retardation அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Retardation is nothing but negative acceleration. Here they have given the equation for displacement. Displacement தான் 8 plus 12t minus t square t cube னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay. Now, from this we can find out the velocity. Velocity is nothing but displacement with respect to time. Okay, so what is the velocity? 12 minus 3t square. See, they're asking what is the retardation when its velocity becomes 0. Now, when its velocity becomes 0, 12 minus 3t square becomes 0. So, minus 3t square is equal to minus 12. Okay, t square is equal to 4 and time taken is 2 seconds. And now find out what is acceleration. Differentiate velocity. If you differentiate velocity, you'll get acceleration equation. Right? Differentiate velocity now. Minus 60. Okay, minus 60. Now, substitute the time value. So, acceleration is minus 12 meter per second square is your answer. Minus 12 meter per second square is your answer. So, option D. Right? Now, let us move on to the next question. A person is moving with a velocity 10 meter per second towards north. Okay, towards north வந்து அவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? He is moving with a velocity 10 meter per second. Okay, a car moving with a velocity of 20 meters per second towards south. Velocity of the car is 20 meters per second. Crosses the person. The velocity of car relative to the person. So what is the velocity of car relative to the person? Here they are asking relative velocity. Here the question is relative velocity. So velocity of car minus, with respect to direction, you can take it as minus 20 meters per second, or you can keep as this: when both the objects are traveling in opposite direction, sum of two speeds will give you the relative velocity. So 10 plus 20, 30, minus 30 meters per second is your answer. Okay, minus 30 meters per second seconds is your answer. Next, a player throws a ball upwards with an initial velocity of 29. Let us consider a player. He is throwing a ball with an initial velocity. Just consider while reading the question itself, you should start to solve. Another question படிக்கவே solve பண்ணும். Question ஒரு வாட்டி படிச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் given data எழுதி யோசிக்கணும். No, not do that. Okay, நம்ம question பார்க்கவே நம்ம வந்து solve பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கணும். சரியா? If a player throws a ball upwards with an initial velocity எவ்வளவு கொடுத்தாங்க? 29.4 meter per seconds. 29.4 meter per second. To what height does the ball rise and how long does the ball return to the player's hand அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So எவ்வளவு ஹைட்டுக்கு வந்து அந்த பால் வந்து ரைஸ் ஆகும். Acceleration due to gravity பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா the ball is moving against the gravity. அதாவது பால் வந்து மேல மூவ் ஆகுது. அப்போ minus 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, and velocity at the other particular heightல வந்து velocity வந்து 0. Okay, now height to which the ball rises, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square is 0 minus u square 29.4 the whole square is equal to 2 into negative acceleration into seconds. So if you solve this into distance, yes, there's nothing but distance. Distance value you will get as 44.1 meter. So what is there? Is there any option with 44.1? Only one option is there, and there is only one option. It starts with 44.51. It is enough. இப்போ ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ், இப்போ ரெண்டு கேக்குறாங்க. ஒன்னு வந்து எவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ்னு கேக்குறாங்க, இன்னொன்னு எவ்வளவு டைம் டேக்கன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. நான் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் செக் பண்றேன், எல்லாத்துலயுமே எல்லா வேல்யூஸுமே டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. அப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு வேல்யூ நீங்க கால்குலேட் பண்ணா போதும். யூ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு கால்குலேட் போத் அண்ட் செக் இட். இட் இஸ் a waste of time. ஓகே, சோ ஸ்மார்ட் ஒர்க் வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். Next, a boy walks on a straight road from his home to a market 2.5 km with a speed. So home length, let us consider to a market, the distance is 2.5 km and he walks with 5 km per hour. Finding the market closed. So market வந்து close ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, and returns and walks back with the speed. Market close ஆயிருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு he coming back with a speed of 7.5 km per hour. What is the average speed and average velocity of the boy between t is equal to 0 to 15 minutes? So average velocity, you know that net displacement அப்படின்றது, that is average velocity. Net displacement அப்படின்றது final position minus initial position. So இங்க final positionும் சரி initial positionும் சரி home தான். அப்போ velocity ஓட basic formula என்ன? What is the velocity's basic formula? Net displacement by time. As net displacement is 0, velocity is also 0. So first they are asking what is the average speed? Okay, and average velocity. Which option has 0 km per hour? Option A and option B. Both have average velocity as 0. So appa kandipa option C and option D is not my answer. Okay, and now you need to find out average speed. Okay, to find average speed, okay, to find average speed, the total distance traveled is 5 km divided by hour, 50 by 60 hour. So 6 km per hour is your answer. 6 km per hour is your answer. So option B is your answer, right? Now, so the speed time graph of a particle moving along a fixed direction கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. distance traversed by the particle from t is equal to 0 seconds ல இருந்து t is equal to 10 seconds வரைக்கும் என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. ஓகே, so distance traveled by the particle அப்படின்றது என்னன்னா area of triangle OAB. Area half into base OB into AC. So half into base 10 into 12. So your answer is 60 meters. Your answer. Okay, so in case of motion in a straight line and plane, you should know some basics. Okay, so the basics like 3 equations of motion, and then basic area formula. And if you displacement is given, if you differentiate, velocity is nothing but dx by dt, and acceleration is nothing but dv by dt. If acceleration is given, you need to integrate acceleration to get velocity, and you need to integrate velocity to get displacement. Okay, if you know these basic concepts, definitely it will be very useful. Okay, I hope you learned some questions, how to solve few questions in this video, and we are ready to upload part 3 in the next few days. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share this video with all your friends. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.